Hey folks, I'm Walter. I know I've talked about it before, but people do not fall overboard on a cruise ship. You have to be working at it. I am 5'7". This railing on the Symphony of the Seas is coming up almost to my armpits here. That's how high these railings are. They're 48 inches generally. So people do not fall over. You have to climb on it. You have to jump over it. And you're hearing about some of these folks who go over, but there are thousands of people going out every single day on cruises. We have, I don't know, 5 or 6 ships here in Miami right now. So this ship's like 6,000 people. We got 4,000 on the Bliss. We probably got about 35, 40,000 people going out on a cruise just from Port Miami today. And we've heard of 1 or 2 people in the past couple of months who have gone overboard. You do not go overboard. You have to work at it. This is why never climb up on a chair. We've got chairs out here. Don't climb up on a chair. Don't climb up on a table. Don't do anything that raises you up against the railing, because these railings are here to keep us safe, and you do not simply fall over. I just want to clarify that, because I know there's a lot of people like, oh my God, you know, you're going to fall overboard if you go on a ship. You're not. You're going to have to work at it to go overboard on a ship. So I hope that helped to clarify. I hope that helped to make some of you who have never been on a cruise ship understand these railings are very, very high. So you do not fall overboard on a ship.